I think everybody here knows what an appraisal is. You can kind of think about it like the Ferrari there on the right-hand side, as it's fully loaded, it's customized, it's expensive, it takes a long time to get. The VOV, does anybody know what a VOV is? A couple people. So this is a big money maker. It's a broker opinion of value. So there's a couple big differences here. Number one, it's who's authoring the document. For the broker opinion of value, it's the broker. The appraisal, it's the appraiser. The other big difference is in what you receive. The receivable looks a lot different. Usually it's just trimmed down, it's maybe 5 to 15 pages. It can be anywhere from $3 to $1,000 to $2,000. The point here is this. A lot of times you need to know the number, how much is this thing worth? The information that most brokers are accessing is the same information that appraisers are accessing. They're just not going through all the rigmarole of providing 3 different ways to value the property and as much analysis about